Here's your new favorite work surface. The Scrapbook.com non-stick silicone craft mat is big, beautiful, and bright white. Protect your work surface and enhance your crafting techniques with a brand new crafting tool. This big, beautiful, bright white non-stick silicone craft mat is your new best friend for ink blending, faux watercoloring, mirror stamping, and creating gorgeous background effects with almost no effort. This mat measures 19.5 by 15.5, so it's a nice big surface for you to work on. Scrapbook.com's silicone mat has so many unbelievable features and creative options that it makes it a must-have in your craft room. Some features include it's made of food-grade silicone, solid bright white for true tone visibility, it's durable, it's heat-resistant up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, easy to clean, resists slipping on smooth surfaces, perfect for mixed media mixing surface, great for the kitchen and the craft room, and it rolls up for easy storage. Your projects will have new, unique colors and textures, all because of the endless list of amazing benefits from this one tool. You can use your non-stick silicone craft mat for ink blending, ink transfer, watercoloring, heat embossing, hot gluing, acrylic painting, faux watercolor stamping, making custom enamel dots, and so much more. Not only will it amaze you with all the ink and watercolor possibilities, but the silicone mat is ready for you to turn up the heat as well. Get out your heat tools or your glue gun because there's no match for your new non-stick silicone mat. No need to worry about your table or desk when you're using the mat as your work surface. The non-stick work surface also ensures that any dry glue or heated embossing powder wipes right off.